Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can brighten an image in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, be a drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And right here in the middle of your screen, you're going to find new project, open from computer, templates, and here you're going to find install Photopea. So right now, go ahead and click on new project. Once you do that, this window will pop up. So right here, you can choose a name for your project. You can choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background color from here. Here, as you can see, guys, you can choose a size for your image. So I'm going to choose, for example, a size from here, click on create. And then, as you can see, guys, once you create your project, you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your image. So right now, I'm going to add an image. Firstly, click on file and then click on open. And then you can choose any image that you want from your computer. Once you add it, if you want to change the brightness of this image, go ahead and select it from layers firstly, and then go here to the top. You're going to find image, click on it, and then click on adjustments. Then right here, you're going to find brightness and contrast. Go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see guys from here, you can change the brightness of the image, and you can also change the contrast of the image. Once you finish, go ahead and click on OK. Right here, you can find some other options like levels, curves, exposure. For example, I'm going to change the exposure of the image. And once you finish, just go ahead and click on File, then click on Save. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.